Today we're gonna go.
Mabuhay.
You have a mic on.
Mabuhay. We're being quiet because
Today we're gonna go check on the progress of the house build. Once a week we try to bring them food and stuff like that. So we're gonna go stop, grab some food. You get to see the food selection. Then we're gonna go give them food, and we're gonna
I'm
take.
in charge of the food.
She's in charge. We're gonna take video of the progress and where we get the food. All right. Thank you.
Lechon for now, okay? Mabuhay. Keep on watching.
Which one are you getting?
This one here, I don't know, this maybe this is a beef apretada. This is what I'm going to get. And then, what is this? What is this na? Yeah, unsa ni siya ka isda ya? Tuna. Tuna ni siya ya? Kanang pinaksiw na siya kapag ano.
So, since they don't have the table in here, so they make a table right away. So, si instant table. Wag ka inhinyero jud kayo ang.
She said instant. Grabe.
Grabe! Kamatay oy.
Kamatay.
No, you're learning Bisaya.
Man, they're trying to teach me Bisaya, Siriganon,
also?
and fucking Tagalog.
Tagalog.
And I'm old. It's hard for me to learn shit.
No, Tagalog it's easy. Bisaya also.
So they're done. They're done with that. So this is the update, and this is the septic tank, I believe. Ay, Kuya Dante! Yes.
We did a live yesterday when we were out here. And like 5 of the people fell in love with Dante. They were like, he works hard.
Da, da, da. Lunchtime. Everybody's there eating lunchtime.
All right, that's really the only update we got today. I mean, it's been raining a lot. So, other than that, that's what we got. This right here was the old septic tank that will be filled in. So, that's all I got today. All right, point over there. Kuya, everybody say bye.
Bye! You're welcome! Okay, dude. So now while they're having lunch in there, we're going to bother here. Okay. Hi there. Okay. There you go. Go, Kuya Pogi. Go.
Not much change in here in the living room, dining room area yet. But they did come over here and stand on this side, that way they can see.
Okay.
So what they did do is they moved the doors that were weirdly here, and they moved them here. That way we can optimize this wall in the room. That way, with it being in the middle of the room, it was just poor designing. Kind of like we talked about last time, there's a lot of things about this house that we really can't do much about. Like, for example, this little, come over here. This beam here, pay no attention to the clothes, these are the workers' clothes. This beam here is structural, meaning it's holding up the roof and everything else. But they did this little nook that comes in, and then over here, it goes out. They did it for aesthetics. It really had no purpose, but we can't do anything about it because we can't put in another beam, re-support the roof, that sort of stuff. So we just kind of have to work with this. In here in the living room, like we said the first time, they're going to raise this floor. If you look over here on the side, come over here, point it over here towards the nail. The floor has to come up that much. That much. So I would say, I would tell my wife that's 12 inches, but it's really about 8. So yeah, the floor is gonna come up. We don't know yet when they're gonna do that, but there's certain things that we can't do.
Hold on. Okay, so they finished the plaster. Is that what you call it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, the plaster's done. They are, now it's ready to, because if you look at the door, you see how it's like a really tall door? It's because they're raising the floor up about 8 inches or something like that.
Yeah.
They did the same thing in here. Let's come this direction. Watch out for the nails. So they've already started bringing the wall out this way for the bathroom. This bathroom will be your typical just guest bathroom. It's not going to be anything fancy. It's going to be a spot basically where you can go pee, poop, and there's a shower. Over here on the kitchen area, they haven't done anything yet, but they said they are going to bring the counter space out maybe next week, depending on what's going on. Next week also, we're probably going to start either removing this window and making it bigger, or we're going to start covering this window up. I don't really know what they're going to do with that. So that's that. All right, let's go to the next video.
Yay! This is the fun part.
Not the fun part that makes it heavy.
No, that's the fun part. It's like a lake.
That's what makes it heavy.
Yes, a lake. That is the fun part. Mabuhay Family Kuya here is mixing the cement. It's just fascinated me. Good morning. Happy Thursday morning. And we are heading to the Casa de Young. Time check is 7:40. We just want to check what's the update of the Casa de Young. Say hi. Hold it, I'm going to have the...
This means I'm reminding my wife to put on her damn helmet because she always forgets to put her helmet on. Because she sees all the other Filipinos around here driving on the back or riding on the back with no helmet. But like that right there, no helmets. I am not gonna do that. So
Calm down, tiger.
tiger. Rawr.
Calm down, tiger.
So yeah, we're going to the house today. We're gonna do an update video because it's almost 2 weeks in.
For the house build?
Yeah.
September 3 they started it. Ready?
Yes. Oh, biscuits.
Okay.
All right, Merry Christmas. Take the camera.
Come join and ride with us, Power Ranger. This is the mansion of my brother. See you later. Power Ranger. Right there. Wow, they're starting working. Wow.
Man,
Mm-hmm.
this is a concrete mixer.
Yeah, but this is for the big.
Yeah.
Can I fit here? Can I fit here? Can I fit here? Can I fit here? Good morning, Satanan! Yay, the pool is almost done! Yay!
The pool.
Wow. Yay, the pool! Yes! Pool, ano yan? Diving pool. Oh, they already sealed it. The door, the window.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Wow. There you go. time check, it's almost 8 a.m. and the kuyas are already started working. If you're going to see that, you're going to do that. It's time for us to go inside. As you can see, that window is already closed. Okay, huh?
Because of the jackhammer,
Yeah.
we need to switch and go to the mics.
Yep.
If not, Kiana can't do that.
Okay. I don't think there's much happening and going on this side in here right now. They just did the plumbing though. That's what they did. So far, that's what I've seen that they are doing. Ah, no, they started. I don't know. I don't know. Yep.
But you know what they're doing. This is the intermission of the video. While we're out here, look what she's doing. Look. YouTube.
Kuya Jill is there.
YouTube, say hello to YouTube. That's what she does. She looks pretty. Hey,
Kuya Jill, that's a 14 million house. Remember, that's what you're going to buy.
say hello.
Mabuhay!
This is for the YouTube video.
Okay. Hello, YouTube videos. So many mosquitoes. Oy. We're doing live here.
I'm making YouTube videos. She's doing YouTube live. What? Jill, if you're watching this, you're here, but you're also there. What?
Easy to locate this your area.
Oh yeah. Hey, say hi to YouTube.
Hello.
This is Leia's brother. He's amazing. That's the infamous Tata the Legend. He's coming out to check out the house build. What? Love that guy. And there's Ate Perla. The rock and the sand and that way whenever they put it in the mixer they just add concrete to it to get the right consistency and then that mixes it all up and then after it mixes it all up then they pour it. Put water in the mixer that way it all.
Yep. They're about to put a cement on that side there. And we are here and they're fixing to put the cement in here.
Coins under the slab for good luck.
They said they're going to put it on the floor. In the floor, yeah. Sa nasa lang, yeah.
Start spreading your
A
coins.
pump, please. A pump. That'd be a pump. Siya, yeah.
Look at this. Mama Bear getting shit done. Hey, are you the inspector? super loud, but they're laying the first floor now. They're getting all the concrete ready. It's amazing. My brother.
Yes, my brother.
Yay! Look at that! They're done!
Tomorrow they will start piling.
Look at that!
Up to the window level.
One picture. Wow! Bukan ni. Ah! Yay! They're done! Make sure that Kuya Janelle did not took the coins.
This level is 17.5. Because it
That is going to the stairs.
from the ceiling side.
That's the
Will not
that's the
come-
stairs. There's the master bathroom.
Tomorrow Saturday.